Why is this so zoomed in? I'm just filming this little clip on my phone. Basically, hi guys, welcome back to my vlog channel. I just sat down to edit this and then I realised that I didn't properly kind of intro it and it didn't really make any sense and it was a bit messy. But basically in this vlog, I was really kindly invited to the BAFTAs by Kiko, which is so cool. Like, I've never done anything like that before. And this video isn't sponsored. I wasn't required to make a vlog or anything, but I just thought it would be a pretty cool thing to vlog. So here's the footage. Oh, and I did spill a little bit of tea at the end, so stay tuned for that. And just in case anyone's wondering about my lip combo, because just watching that little clip, I feel like my lips look really nice today. This is the NYX Sandstorm lip liner with the NARS Hidden Pleasures lip balm. There we go. I love it so much. Enjoy! Bit of a weird setting that I'm in right now. Basically, I'm going to the BAFTAs today with Kiko and I've just got to the hotel. I'm just waiting to kind of like be checked in and stuff, and we're just kind of hanging out in this room where we have a drink and stuff like that. But it is such a cool day. I've never done anything like this before. I'm so excited, but I'm so nervous. There's a few other girls here as well, which I'm sure you guys will see. But yeah, I'll take you guys with me. So I'm just getting my makeup done in Kiko. So far I've just got like a little bit of eyes and brows, but it's so cool in this room. There's like, sorry, just like shoved your face in it. I think Saffron is somewhere. Oh wait, Anna's over there. Saffron's somewhere. I don't even know. But yeah, this is so cool. So I've just had my makeup done. It looks absolutely gorgeous. It's like full glam. The girl that did my makeup was so lovely, and if I can find her Instagram, I'm gonna like put it on the screen here. But yeah, it looks so pretty. I've just got to my room now. I think I need to go get my hair done, but this is my room. Wait, this is the view outside my room. What the hell? And then on the bed, oh my god, what the heck? Oh my gosh, there's like a whole Kiko. What? There's literally like a full Kiko makeup range here. What the actual heck? Thank you so much, Kiko. And then I've just noticed on the mirror there's a freaking Kiko thing. On the bed there's some PJs and a happiness planner. There's more Kiko stuff here. What? This is unreal. Oh my goodness. Literally, what is my life? What is this? I love this makeup. I think it looks so pretty. I now need to go get my hair done because I'm running late as usual. But I'll see you guys in a bit. So I've just had my hair done. I'm just walking back to my hotel room down this really long corridor because my room is like quite far down. But yeah, I love my hair. I just basically got it like wavy, pretty like standard for me, but I just wanted it to be something that I was like comfortable with. And then my makeup's all done. I've now just got to get dressed. I need to pee, I need to have a snack, and then I think we're going out soon. It's like 4:30. I think we're leaving here at like 5, so we'll see. Okay, so just while I'm standing still, this is my hair and makeup. I feel super glam. I feel like I haven't seen myself wearing lashes in ages, and I'm now about to put on like a really figure hugging dress, and I feel like maybe it's a little bit too much, but I'm excited. Oh my god. Oh, I've just noticed there's a thing here that says my name on it, and there's chocolates. Oh my god, yes. And then this is the jewelry sponsor for the BAFTAs, so I think I've got a couple pieces in here. Okay, I'm finally ready. This is my outfit. I put on the necklaces from Cara, and I've got this drop earring as well. My dress is from Lipsy. My shoes are from Koi Footwear, and I need to go because I'm late, but oh my god, I'm so excited. This dress is way too long. So we just got here. This is absolutely mad. We're about to go up here onto the red carpet, which I'm genuinely like, what? What? Ow, ow, ow. Oh, they're lovely. This is actually mad. Like, what is actually going on right now? What is this? Benedict Cumberbatch has arrived. Oh my god! It's Dermot O'Leary. Scarlet Muppet. This is crazy. What the frick? Look at this madness. What the heck? Oh my god, Piers Morgan is literally right over there. Oh my gosh. I feel like I've said this is crazy so many times, but this is actually crazy. We just sat down in our seats. We literally just walked the red carpet, which was crazy. I've never done that before, so it's definitely an experience. But we just sat down, all the other girls are over here, and I think the awards are about to start soon. Like, how cool is this? They're going to be doing it literally right down here. What is my life? What is my life? How incredible is this dinner setting? We're just coming down for dinner now. There's like a whole kind of like seating area up here, but we're down here somewhere, I think. But look at the flowers on the ceiling. So this is our starter. I've got my little name label here, which is really cute. Our table is beautiful. All the tables have these really cool flower arrangements on them, but I think this is, well, it looks very fancy. This is like the fanciest starter I think I've ever had. That is a little glazed apple. There's some like cheese down here. I'm not 100% sure what else. I think like some onion, pickle or something. But yeah, this is our starter. I'm so hungry, so I'm so ready for this. This is our main course. We've got some beef, which looks amazing, and then I don't know what the rest of this is, but I'm so excited. Like, look, oh, this is such a good piece of beef. I'm so hungry. So they're just coming around with these desserts. Is it dessert?
Oh my god, yes.
What is it? I'm so confused. What is this?
Strawberry flavor.
Thank you. What is this? It's like a fish tank. I just had our food, which was so yummy. I think we're going to an after party and then back to the hotel, so it's still got a while, but so far so good. It's so cool to be here. Like, it's such a crazy experience. I don't actually know what is going on. I think it's like a vodka fountain or something. Right, so we are now back in the hotel. Sorry, I'm walking with one shoe on because I took one off because my feet are killing me, and for some reason I didn't take both off at the same time. I'm just gonna go into my hotel room. Okay, so I'm back in my hotel. Oh god, that's an interesting shot. Wow, I'm so oily. To be fair, this makeup's been on for hours. Let me see, wait, how do I turn on the light in here? I don't actually know. How does this work? Lights? The time is, it's only like 12:15 when the after party didn't actually finish till 2, and then the after party was after then, which I think is actually in our hotel. But yeah, we decided to come back because Saffron's actually got to go back to Brighton, and then me and Anna came back because I'm really tired. Like, I hate to be boring. Like, in all honesty, I feel like I probably would have stayed if I was a bit more drunk, but just the fact that like I wasn't really drinking too much tonight and I'm just really tired, I just kind of wanted to get into bed. I know that that seems really boring, but we stayed to the after party for a bit, but it was only like really just to get a kind of experience of it. But it was really cool, like as I was walking around and stuff, like as we were leaving, there was like Lee Mack and like a bunch of other people that we saw that were like people that I've seen on TV, which is really cool. Yeah, let me think, who did I see today? Up close and personal, we saw Dermot O'Leary, Benedict Cumberbatch, Scarlett Moffat, Piers Morgan, Michael McIntyre, who actually, he was so nice because when we were lining up to get our pictures taken on the red carpet, just as you do, Michael McIntyre kind of came around the side, and then we were like, oh, you go first, and he was like, oh no, I can't go first. He was like, you go first, and we were like, but you're Michael McIntyre, like, you go first. And he was like, no, I can't do that. He was like, you ladies go first. And so then he let me and Katie take our pictures before him, which I thought was so funny. So that was nice of him. He could have just been like, oh yeah, I'm Michael McIntyre, I'm gonna go in front, but he didn't, which was really nice. Who else? Just like a bunch of people from Coronation Street. I saw Emily Atack from I'm a Celebrity. Yeah, it was just really cool to like see so many people in the flesh. But I mean, obviously they're just like normal people and stuff, but it was just really cool. I'm absolutely in love with this dress. Also, I didn't even show you guys my jewelry earlier. So we got lent some jewelry by this jewelry company called Cara, which is the official sponsor. I went for this necklace, which I'm absolutely in love with, but we have to give these back in the morning. And then I don't really know how well you can see, but I also got this like drop earring, which is like a chain type thing that you pull through, but that's also really cute. My makeup has smudged a little bit under my eyes, and my eyes look so red because my contact lenses are like fully dried up. Where shall I sit? Let's put you up here. My dress has all kind of come apart. Like, I did tape it. I've got like 2 bits of tape here, but it's all kind of like come off and unstuck because I had to pee, and when I had to pee I had to undo my whole dress. Yeah, it was such a cool evening. We got to like sit in the audience and stuff, and then obviously we had the dinner afterwards, which was really cool, and we got to like sit through the whole award ceremony. Like, honestly, I'm just feeling so lucky and grateful to have even been invited to something like this. Definitely don't deserve to be here because, like, what the heck, we were in the same room as all these cool people that are on TV, and obviously like I'm not on TV. I don't know why I was there, but Kiko, thank you so much for having me. Like, it's honestly been like, I feel like it's such a kind of once in a lifetime experience type thing. It's not every day that you get to go to the freaking TV BAFTAs. But the reason I went for this red dress in the end, if you watched my main channel video where I featured this, we were gonna get like, there was a company called Godiva or Godiva, I'm not sure how you say it. They basically sent us a few dresses to try on and stuff, but basically I feel like they're all designed for people that are quite tall, or at least have like a long torso, because none of them fit me. I think because I was quite short, like they just didn't work with my body shape. So I decided to go with this Lipsy one, which I absolutely love. And if you want any tea from the BAFTAs, the only bit of tea that I've got for you today is, I'm not going to say who they were, but basically we were standing around and at the after party bit, and Anna was like, "Soph, is that guy over there one of the people from Love Island?" And I turned around and I was like, "No, it's not." And so like I was like looking at these group of guys, and then we kind of were like turned around and look at them just to try and figure out who they were, because we thought that they were somebody that we knew. Turns out that they weren't. But then we were queuing up for this photo booth, and then they came over and they were like, "Oh, is it alright if we just jump in this picture with you girls?" And it was quite funny because like obviously they were like chatting to like Anna and Saffron and stuff. They asked for all of our names, and I told them my name, but then I just kind of turned around because I was like, "Not interested, got a boyfriend," and I feel like I might have accidentally given them evils. I wasn't trying to be rude, I was just like, you know, wasn't really interested in talking to them because they were clearly trying to like flirt with us. And so yeah, I just turned around, and then this guy was like, "Oh, Sophie looks like she's gonna get into trouble if she's seen taking a picture with us." And I was just kind of like, "Yeah, sorry," and then just like turned back round and had my picture with Katie. And then here's the real tea. We then find out that both of the guys had girlfriends, because we found their social media, and we were just kind of like, okay. And I was just like, I was getting bad vibes from them anyway, but I was like, wow, men are trash. Not all men, but some men. Anyway, right, I should probably get out of this dress because it's kind of uncomfortable. Oh, but I don't even know if I actually properly explained. The reason that we came with Kiko is because they were the official makeup sponsor of the BAFTAs, so they did like loads of people's makeup, and obviously because like Kiko is one of the brands that, well, I use a lot of their products and stuff, they invited me down. And Kiko, if you're watching, or any of the people that were from Kiko tonight, thank you so much. It was such a good evening, and I'm so excited to try all this new stuff. I think this is the bronzer I love. This is the Ocean Feel bronzer, but I think it's another one of the marble ones. Kiko bronzers are like my favourite bronzers in the world. Yes! It's another one of these marble ones, which are like, oh, they smell incredible. It smells like chocolate, but these are just the best bronzers ever. I love them. So that is the Ocean Feel bronzer in 01 Warm Honey. I need to get into bed. I've also just realised that Kiko left some makeup wipes. There's a mask. There's some sheet masks. And then over here, they've got loads of their skincare stuff, which I haven't really tried before. I think what was used on my face earlier was one of these. Maybe it was this one, I can't remember, but they used some Kiko skincare stuff on my skin before they did my makeup, and it was really nice, so I'm quite excited to try this. I've never tried it before. Also, I used that lip scrub and it worked really well, so I'm gonna take off my face. I just ripped my lashes off, but this, I can't wait to get it off. I'm listening to that new Justin Bieber and Ed Sheeran song. I'm actually obsessed with it. When I first heard it, I thought it sounded like, you know, Cheryl Cole has got that song called I Don't Care. I feel like it sounds really similar to that, but now I really like it. I literally just have this little tiny light on my face that's next to my bed, but I am going to sleep now, and I will see you guys in the morning. Good night. Well, it's not every day you get to wake up to this view in London. What the hell? This room is incredible. Morning guys. Oh my god, I can barely open my eyes because they're so sensitive to sunlight. I'm up, I'm awake. I'm now just gonna head down for some breakfast, and then I think I'm just gonna head home. I've got quite a lot to get done today. I've got a video to edit, another video to film and edit, and then I've also got to go to the bank to sort out some stuff, so I've got quite a busy day. So I think I'm just gonna head straight home once I've had some breakfast. But yeah, what an amazing evening. I didn't sleep till about like 2:30 maybe, because I just like really took my time getting myself ready, getting all my makeup off and everything. And then the time now is like 10:20. I woke up at like 9:30. So yeah, I think I'm gonna make my way back. But Kiko, thank you so much for having me. It was such an incredible experience. I'm so lucky to have been able to like do something like that. I never thought I'd be able to go to the BAFTAs, which is like crazy. So yeah, I want to say a massive thank you to them. I think I'm gonna end this vlog here. but I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Hopefully it's a nice little memory. I don't really know what footage I got, but hopefully when I'm editing it, it's okay. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.